Hey guys, welcome again back to my YouTube channel, and today is Wednesday, November 30th, 2022, and I am on the site of 5,000 capacity poultry farm here in Ogun State, Nigeria. Presently today we want to start the roofing process of this pen. We started the woodwork of the roofing of the pen here in Ogun State. We have the 2x6 that we're going to be using. We have the 2x4 and we have the 2x3 that we are going to be using for the woodwork. Like I said, the farm itself is on a 2-acre land, while the pen is on the 200 by 35 feet. We've done the plumbing work. The well has been dug already, and we have water already on the farm, and they've done the connection of the plumbing work, and the pit where the waste is going to be going is already dug, and everything is coming to shape. Once we are done with the roofing, then we go to other things, which includes the plastering, flooring, and also the netting of this pen. So if you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button, keep on watching. I always say, if you want to do something like this, send me an email or send me a message on WhatsApp. Both my email and the WhatsApp number is showing on the screen and also in the description box. So we are done with the side base of the woodwork for this pen house. The 3 sides has been done from beginning to the end of the pen. So the 3 side base has been done. Now it's time to do the cross base before we now start with the laying of the other wood, which is the 2x4. What we use for the side base and the cross base is the 2x6 wood. We just started the cross base of this pen house. This is past 4 p.m. today, Wednesday, November 30th, 2022, and we are still in Ogun State on this 5,000 capacity pen house. Yeah, 3 days after, today is Saturday, December 3rd, 2022, and this is where we are. Almost done with the woodwork. This is past 1 p.m. It's a long distance, 200 feet by 35 feet. The height of the roof of the woodwork which is going to be the roofing in 7 feet. They're going to start the roofing sheets today.